August 5th, Tuesday, Matthew 14:22-36. In the early days of sailing, a boy was on his first training voyage. One day, he was assigned to climb the mast. Halfway up, he made the mistake of looking down. He became dizzy and was in grave danger of falling. An old sailor called out to him, "Look up at the sky, boy. Look at the sky." The boy followed the instructions and resumed his climb safely. Peter made the same mistake the boy did. He took his eyes off his goal. He looked down into the wind-whipped sea and began to sink. In today's Gospel, Matthew describes Jesus walking on water, a powerful display of his authority over nature and a lesson in faith. The disciples, facing a storm and seeing what they believed to be a ghost, are initially terrified. Jesus' reassuring words, "Take courage, it is I. Do not be afraid," calm their fears. Peter's bold request to walk on water highlights both his faith and his tendency to doubt. The passage emphasizes Jesus' power to overcome fear and the importance of keeping our focus on Him during life's storms. Behind this story, an image of the early church, of which the boat and the disciples are a symbol. The surrounding water is the world, and the wind and waves are the forces which threaten the tiny community. Jesus seems to be far away, but he is not, and he appears in the midst of the storm. Once he steps inside the boat, there is calm, not only because the surrounding storm has stopped, but also because of the peace which the awareness of Jesus' presence gives. Today, the church celebrates the feast of the dedication of the Basilica of St. Mary Major in Rome. The Council of Ephesus in 431 formally proclaimed the Mother of Jesus as the Mother of God, and this basilica was built shortly afterwards to celebrate her motherhood. This is the oldest church in the West that is dedicated to Our Lady. Dear friends, when things get stormy in our life, do we fix our eyes on the storm or on Jesus? Wishing you a good day, Father Paul, CSSR from Bangalore.